Application of AI and ML in network operations. AI and ML are revolutionizing network operations by enhancing efficiency, reliability, and security, transitioning from reactive to proactive management. The following are areas that benefited the most from this transformation. Predictive maintenance. A significant application of AI and ML in network operations is predictive maintenance, where AI algorithms analyze data from network equipment to forecast potential failures before they happen. This proactive approach not only minimizes downtime but also prolongs the lifespan of network hardware by allowing for timely preventive maintenance. Anomaly detection and security. Another critical area is anomaly detection and security. ML models are capable of continuously monitoring network traffic in real time, identifying deviations that could signify security threats, such as distributed denial of services, DOS, attacks, malware, or unauthorized access attempts. By understanding the characteristics of normal traffic, these models can swiftly detect and alert people to suspicious activities, enabling a quick response to mitigate potential threats. Traffic analysis and management. AI also plays a pivotal role in traffic analysis and management. By examining traffic patterns and forecasting future congestion points, AI-driven solutions can dynamically modify routing protocols and allocate bandwidth more efficiently. This ensures that the network operates smoothly, maintaining high performance and quality of service for users. Automated configuration and management of network settings. Furthermore, AI and ML facilitate automated configuration and management of network settings, streamlining routine tasks, significantly reducing the likelihood of human error. These intelligent systems can autonomously configure network devices, apply updates, and adjust settings in real time according to evolving network demands and conditions. Root cause analysis. Lastly, AI aids in root cause analysis, a process traditionally marked by its time-consuming nature. By analyzing data across various network elements, AI can swiftly pinpoint potential problems, accelerating the troubleshooting process and consequently reduce network downtime. Types of AI: predictive and generative. Predictive AI refers to artificial intelligence applications that analyze historical data to forecast future outcomes. It relies on machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and trends within vast data sets, enabling it to make educated predictions about future events. In the context of network engineering, predictive AI can significantly enhance network performance, reliability, and security by anticipating problems before they arise and allows for proactive management. Generative AI goes beyond prediction to create novel insights, employing sophisticated machine learning models like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformer models. These models can generate a wide array of outputs, from texts and images to complex code, paving the way for inventive solutions to intricate problems. A particular kind of generative AI called Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, gained in popularity thanks to its advanced language processing capabilities. As a derivative of large language models, LLMs, GPT stands out for its deep understanding of context, exceptional ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant text, and its adaptability to a wide range of language tasks that range from poetic compositions to technical articles, as well as its capacity to answer questions, engage in dialogue, and even emulate certain writing styles. There are quite a few publicly available GPT models available on the web for you to try. They vary in their accuracy, speed, and ability to process various data formats, such as text, images, video, and audio. If a model can use more than one form of data, it is called multimodal. The most popular GPT applications you can use are ChatGPT from OpenAI, Gemini by Google, and Claude by Claude AI. The following content is based on ChatGPT, but you should be able to follow the course with any of the three proposed models. Note that the tone and accuracy of the responses might vary regardless of the GPT provider you choose. Additionally, please note that even if you type the same request twice in the same instance of a GPT model, you will likely get a slightly different response both times. Using GPT-OK no wrong answers, just wrong questions. When interacting with LLMs like ChatGPT, the way you phrase your questions plays a crucial role in the quality and relevance of the responses you receive. This is a consequence of how LLMs process and understand language. Essentially, LLMs analyze the distance between words within the vast landscape of their trained data, determining their relationships and context to generate appropriate responses. For instance, the words OC#apple and OC#fruit are close together, whereas OC#car is placed further away from either OC#apple and OC#fruit. This means that the word OC#apple is more likely to be associated with the word OC#fruit than with the word OC#car. Vocabulary becomes a critical tool in this interaction. Precise and clear language can significantly narrow down the scope of the query, guiding the LLM to understand the exact nature of the information or assistance you are seeking. Conversely, vague or ambiguous questions can lead the model to interpret the request in a broader context than intended, resulting in answers that might not be as specific or helpful as you hoped. Let a code say that you want to configure an access control list, ACL, on a network device, such as Cisco Nexus 9000 series switch. If you simply input "Give me the CLI command to block all traffic from 192.168.1.0/24 in the prompt of ChatGPT, you will get an answer like this. This works if you want to do that on a Linux machine, but you wanted to get a configuration for your Cisco Nexus 9000 series switch. If you are a bit more specific and add that you are using a Cisco Nexus 9000 series switch, you will get the answer that you were looking for, usually with a step-by-step explanation of how to achieve your goal. Using GPT-OK minimize inaccurate responses. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try to provide accurate and descriptive information in the prompt, you will get incorrect, or even fictional information that the model represents as fact, a phenomenon known as hallucination. This occurs due to the model's reliance on patterns in the training data rather than factual accuracy. The training data itself might even be obsolete since it is very time and resource consuming to retrain a model with an updated dataset. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, is a technique that helps alleviate the issue of hallucination and out-of-date answers in LLMs. RAG combines the capabilities of a retrieval system and a generative model. When given a prompt, the retrieval system first fetches relevant documents or pieces of information from a large database or knowledge source. Then, the generative model uses this retrieved information to generate a response. This process ensures that the responses are grounded in the retrieved documents, which can help improve factual accuracy and reduce the likelihood of hallucination. The key advantage of RAG is that it anchors the model's responses to real-world information contained in the retrieved documents, making the responses more accurate and less prone to fabricating information. This capability makes RAG systems particularly valuable for navigating complex technical documentation. Instead of manually sifting through dense material, users can rely on the RAG system to extract relevant details and present them in a digestible format. This not only speeds up the process of finding information but also ensures that the guidance provided is accurate and directly relevant to the task at hand, as it's grounded in the actual content of the documentation. You can leverage your own RAG system with ChatGPT by simply drag and dropping a PDF document into the prompt and directing ChatGPT to consult the documentation when giving you the response. Requires ChatGPT 4.0 or higher. For example, you can upload the PDF manual of Cisco Nexus Dashboard Insights, D. 6.2.2. Now you can query for step-by-step instructions. For example, OC where can I see site settings? You will get a relevant and full response without even mentioning the version, since the Cisco D documentation for version 6.2.2 is the only document in the knowledge base in this case. Even when using a RAG system, always check the answers for accuracy, since there is still a chance, albeit much smaller than before, that the answers are not entirely correct.